Hello, Baby Sam. How are you? What are you doing here? Baby Sam, what are you doing? What did you say? What did you say, Baby Sam? What are you doing? I don't know. What are you doing, Baby Sam? Yep. Let's go see. Ooh, let's creak through the water.
Yes.
Let's listen to the mysterious dad's conversation with a little girl. Ah! He saw me! Run! Run away! Hide behind me. Whoa.
I am not.
Let's see what Baby Sam's doing. What are you doing, Baby Sam? Sorry, puppy.
Don't touch anything.
Okay.
It's big soaking. Yeah, it's soaking, Mom.
Hello, Baby Sam. Let's go look through the creaky old house. This is the place that looks scary. Run away! Hey!
Yeah, I bought it for you at the Oktoberfest, remember?
Yes, I remember, yes. Get out of here.